And remember that the happiest people are those who are not getting more but giving more. So, party mood tonight. Bring on the lights and live like tomorrow never exists. So, blessed is the moment that engages the whole world in a conspiracy of love. Life's a party, and so let's dress for it. So, Toga party it is. It's really true that alone we can do so little and together we can do so much. And in our community, Dream Palazzo, the tenet is that diversity makes for a rich tapestry, and we understand that all the threads of the tapestry are equal in value no matter what their color is. The world is so empty if you only think about the material things. But to know someone who thinks and feels with us and who, though distant, is close to us in spirit, this makes the earth for us an inhabited garden. And this is what Dream Palazzo is. And it's my first time, and I feel that I truly belong here. So, in Dream Palazzo, the dream wives, they feel that diversity is about all of us and about us having to figure out how to walk through this world together. And this is the first time that I have celebrated Durga Puja with them, although it's their fifth year. And I feel that there is strength in the differences between us. I know there is comfort where we overlap. And guys, isn't it amazing that we have become an integrated whole? We look through the same eyes and we see a whole different world together unitedly. So united we stand. So from the checkered nuances of my life, I feel that one of the most important things you can do on this earth is to let people know they are not alone. Too often we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn our life around and make it a better world to live in. And this is what we are striving at Dream Palazzo. And it's apt to say that no man can become rich without himself enriching others. So after the Durga Puja, I decided to bring them together in my place with the Toga party theme. So cheers to those unforgettable moments and unforgettable friends. Though I am much senior to them, I always try to learn from others, and what I have learned from the sweetest girl in town, Preeti, is that 1,000 fivers connect us with our fellow men. Please serve yourself. Shop self-help. Talk. We are making a video also. Candida. We just want that money. You people, how you are enjoying. So, are you liking it after coming? Yeah.
Awesome.
No, not about that. I'm not talking about the house. Are you liking my company?
Yes.
From your home decor to everything.
Thank you so much. So these are my friends who have gathered here. The others are on their way. And the first entrance was Kea. Then let me just tell their names one by one. Shivali, Preeti, Debolina, Shikha. So they are looking so pretty. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Design it for you. Wearing a nice skirt. Wow. Please help yourselves. তো এগুলো ভেজ হ্যাঁ কোনো প্রবলেম নেই আমি ভেজ নন ভেজ আলাদা করে রেখেছি তোমরা কিন্তু আমি জানি ওই জন্য আমি একদম মানে আই নো অ্যাবাউট ইট ওকে নো So the showstopper of a party has arrived and look at her. She's wearing the toga in the most realistic manner, the Greek toga, and look at her alluring stance, the crown and the necklace. And what have you worn on your hand? Oh my God, this is simply awesome. So guys, you must learn how to dress from Toga. So most of them have arrived and all are trying to tie the toga. See, everyone is so enthusiastic. Yeah, you keep dancing. Ada has arrived and she too has really cultivated the toga style. And look at the noise. Look at the ladies enjoying. And let me see your full dress. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. पूरा हम लोग धमाका मचाए ऊपर में and everybody was so angry আমাদের এত নাচ ও হ্যাঁ আমার টিচার বা ধমাকা হয়ে গেছে খুঁজে
See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say.
Say hello to the elegant lady, Nita Didi, and she is the Queen Mother. Aro kichu bolo, tumi ekটু bolo to unar sombandhe. I don't know much about her.
So let's welcome Nita Bhattacharya, our Queen Mother, the mentor of Dream Palazzo Society. And yes, she is playing the role of Queen Mother for the last 5 years now. The way she is guiding us and the bonding, the holding us, is holding the society. As that's why she is called, she can be treated as a Queen Mother.
Okay.
So, at a happen.
Okay. Yeah. So today I'm so happy to be with the youngsters. Only Nita Didi is, I guess, elder to me, or maybe she's of the same age. I don't know much about it. But others are all younger, and they are so loving, adorable. And what I have seen in Dream Palazzo is that the bond is so strong. And everybody, has that feeling for each other, that compassionate feeling which is, lacking now. These people have become so depraved. And if you stay in Palazzo, I think you will really miss those depravity and all those stress which has made our life so miserable. So I guess Dream Palazzo is the best society where I have seen every
ভিডিও চলছে
many complexes. Okay, because there also I have 2 complexes and also I have stayed in an industrial town. I have seen people just bitching about one another, gossiping. আর সবাই না সবাইকে মানে এত জেদ ফিল করে, কারো ছেলে, কারো মেয়ে, কারো ড্রেস কোড নিয়ে, কারো চাকরি নিয়ে. I got sick of all those things. And I'm the type of person, not the family. But in Palazzo, I have seen that people are just, together. They have created one big family and no jealousy, no envy, only love. That's very true.
Great. Ding dong, they just think they are. Never little wanna be gangster trying to play hard. Ding dong, they just think they are. Never little wanna be gangster trying to play hard.
You need a piece of serve yourself, huh? Stop self-help. So the Queen Mother is the first one to take on the stick. How's the Josh? How's the Josh?
Aye. Smoke up, that's in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn up the rims. Don't stop, don't touch the boy that I'm in. Now we doing a block with the up for events. Skin kept close, cause you got on them with the tips on 10.
How's the Josh here? একদম না খাওয়া নয় জোশ
Hi sir.
হাই ক্যান্ডি
মার এলাকায় যেন না আসে
জাস্ট আ ক্যান্ডি
ক্যান্ডি ভি আয় এই চলো ছবি তোলো
ক্যান্ডি শপ তোমরা বলো কিছু কথা বলো
আমার
So now the eye-opening cultural events and performances that will really mesmerize you. So here everybody cut footloose, forget your troubles and dance. So rekindle the passion for culture and heritage. I feel that whether it be fast, slow, choreographed, or freestyle, dancing is one of the most amazing things we can do simultaneously for our minds and our bodies.